Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my Mexican cornbread muffins. So I have all my ingredients here. Let me adjust my camera for you. So what I'm going to do, I have a large bowl. I'm going to mix my cornmeal, jalapeno peppers. But let me go over my ingredients with you first. I have 3 cups of self-rising cornmeal. I'm using yellow cornmeal. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large onion chopped, and 2 jalapeno peppers diced, a cup and a half, 1.5 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and grated. And I have 1 15-ounce can of cream style corn, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 cup of milk, 3 large eggs. I'm gonna have to lightly beat those eggs, and I have one red bell pepper that I'm gonna add to it also. So first I'm gonna put in my cornmeal. This is my 3 cups of cornmeal. Okay, my jalapeno peppers and onions and sugar. Jalapeno peppers. And my onions. Okay, my sugar. And with my sugar, that was 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, and put my salt in. This is like a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to add my cheese. And the red bell pepper. Okay, now let me set this aside. Now I'm going to start on my wet ingredients. Okay, I'm going to beat the 3 eggs. Just lightly beat those eggs together. Just whisk them together, your 3 eggs. Okay. And then I'm gonna add my corn and my milk and my canola oil. This is your wet ingredients. That's cream corn. This is a cup of milk, buttermilk. And make sure your eggs is room temperature. And then the 1/2 cup of canola oil. And then I'm going to stir this together. I hope I don't need a larger bowl. I don't know. I'm going to see. I might have to switch over. I have my oven set at 400. You're going to set your oven, preheat your oven at 400. And I do have my muffin pan in there already. So I like to put my muffin pan up. Whatever pan, I'm going to use, I like to have it heated up, And I'm going to spray it down real good. Okay, I think this is ready. I'm gonna add it all in here. Okay, it might be, my bowl might be, let me see. I'm gonna see, it might work. Just do a little at a time. Smells good. It's not even done. And if you would, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and tell all your friends about it. I would appreciate that. I believe this bowl might work. Okay. Now, I'm going to try not to over mix it, you know, try not to over mix it, but I'm going to try to make sure I get all the cornmeal from the bottom of this bowl, because the cornmeal was in there first, so it's all at the bottom here. Yeah, this bowl's working, yeah. Okay, I think that's it. See. I don't want to over mix it. Okay, I'm going to get my pan out the oven. I'm going to spray it down real good. I'm going to use this ice cream scoop that I got here. Ooh, forgot the pan was hot and touched it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to use this ice cream scoop. I might need more than just this 12 tin muffin pan. From the look of this batter. And what I might do, if I do need more, another pan, I might just do like the skillet, put it in the skillet. Yep, I'm gonna need another pan. Yep, that's what it looks like. Let me see what I'm gonna do. I might as well just get me another muffin pan here. like this. Okay. I want to put them in at the same time so I can start my timer. Slide this one over. Lay this one down. Okay. I still see some dry cornmeal at the bottom. Let me kind of stir it. Okay. So that did 24 muffins. Okay. Now you can freeze these once they cool and put them in your freezer for at least 2 months. Okay. So now I'm gonna put them in my oven and bake it for 20 minutes. Okay, Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so I'm gonna let those bake for 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna show you what it looked like when I take them out. And then I'll probably take a break and come back after they cool down. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back, getting ready to get my muffins out of the oven. Hot and narrow. Okay, so I'm gonna have to let these muffins cool down a little. Okay, so I just got my muffins out of the oven, so I'm gonna come back as soon as they cool down some, where I can get them out of my pan here. So when I come back, you'll see my finished product. Okay, I'm back with my finished product. My muffin has cooled down, so I'm getting ready to take them out. Let me adjust my camera for you. Oh, they popped out easily. See, this is the bottom. And I did 20 minutes, but I did an extra 3 minutes. Look at there. That's beautiful. Look at there. And like I said, I thought I was going to end up with 12 muffins, but I ended up with 24 muffins. So it yields 24 muffins. And like I said, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, y'all. Tell all your friends about it. Okay. Let me put a little garnish on it. This is a little garnish. And this is a little parsley that I got, you know, just for garnish. Okay. Oh, look at that. Mexican Cornbread Muffins. Yeah. Let me give one a try. Let me break it in two so you can see it inside. That's what it looks inside, look like inside. Okay. That tastes delicious. Mmm. And give you another look. It looks delicious, y'all. And it tastes good. So that is my version of Mexican cornbread muffins. Until next time, bon appetit.